What's going on, guys? Good evening. Hope all is well. Today is February 6th, 2023. It's getting dark. 5:30. Going to a no heat call, or it says it's not keeping up. So I don't know what it is. We'll see what it is when we get there. Today got pretty busy though. So plus the weekend was so cold. But let's check it out when we get there. Taking forever. Brrr. Getting knots like stockbrokers who own Marriotts, he just said. All right, let's see what this is all about. How are you? What's going on, bro?
So it's the newer unit over there.
Yeah.
Kicking on and kicking off.
What is it, a heat pump?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's it's weird. It'll run for a minute,
Yeah.
stop. Run for a minute, stop.
Like within seconds?
Yeah.
It's probably low on pressure.
So I don't know if something hit it with all the wind that something could hit. I don't know.
Can you do me a favor? Will you put it?
I have it on heat right now. So
Well, you're not running it on cooling, right?
no.
Because that'll do that.
No.
Okay.
It's been on heat. The only thing I did was on Saturday morning early, I put it on emergency heat
Because that was doing that.
Yeah, no, because it was just couldn't keep up upstairs. I just wanted to kick it on for a little bit, just to kind of get.
Yeah, but the emergency heat would, if you put it on emergency only, that won't run at all.
No. So it's on regular heat.
Okay.
But we the power flickered a few times Friday night.
Okay.
And I noticed that it was, I was getting cold air, so I shut everything off.
Yep.
Took like 5 minutes, and I restarted it, and then I was getting hot air again.
Have you checked your filter?
No.
Can we go inside to the unit first? That's where I just want to see the air. Where's the thermostat?
Right here.
All right. I turned 44 the other day. Getting way too old, guy. Okay, I threw it up to 80 downstairs. It's maintaining. So it's 68 in the house. It's not running on emergency heat. He's worried about, well, now it's going to be once I start it up. So I just pulled the thermostat off the wall just to check the wiring. Maybe condenser wasn't connected. Maybe Y wasn't connected properly. Filter looks okay. And then I just want to check amp draw anyway while I'm here, even though that's not our issue. On my emergency heat, auxiliary heat. Get my meter. System low. Whoa. Added 1.5 pounds at a 19-degree temp split in 2021. But this is a 2022. Excuse me. So, the condenser, the heat pump kicking on and off right here by my suction line. It just kicked on. And it just kicked off. I'm gonna go connect my gauges downstairs. And then I'm gonna put it in air conditioning and see if my low pressure is going. If it's flat, it's probably going. It's probably low on charge.
All good with the unit.
Right now it's in heating. It's probably gonna cycle like it was when I was up there. It's going, That's the other one. Yeah, this one's going on and off. It's like brand new, bro. Holy shit. Excuse my language. Yeah, 2022, 18th week of 22. This is hot. I guarantee you just... Yeah, no good. Look at that. Look at that, buddy boy. Ah, shit. Yep. Wow. Come on, dude. Kidding me, bro. Yeah, here you go. I tell you, that's who needs a leak search when you could just go like that? Are you kidding me, bro? It's not gonna happen tonight. I gotta keep it. Every day I'm bubbling. So I'm gonna get him going till tomorrow. We can get back here, do a leak search. I just talked to the guy. It's a good sign. Defrost right now. Bringing it back to life for the night for him. That's good. And then, like I said, we'll be back. I don't see any bubbles here. Oh, actually, there's one. Look at that. Right there. But I don't see any here where I thought. That's good. Back to heat. So we got 3 pounds, 6 ounces. 3 pounds, 6 ounces. We're gonna leave it there. 3 pounds, 6 ounces, factory charge 5.6. So that's a pretty severe leak. I mean, it's a leak, I guarantee. I mean, it's not supposed to be low anyway. So we will schedule, I think, tomorrow to come back and do a proper leak search. I can't do anything out here, as you can see. It's pretty good. 111. Every day I'm bubbling, 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 bubbling. Every day I'm bubbling. I keep it old school with the scale, huh? My boy EB has everybody has the digital ones now. I'm still like downgraded, I guess. I don't, it's too much to all the wireless stuff. Hold on. Just talked to the guy. He said that ticket that was up in the attic was obviously from the old system, but that's the same company, I guess, who put this new system in, and he no longer uses them. So the office, I thought we were going to be able to do a leak search tomorrow. The office is going to schedule it for later this week, but at least we got them up and going. I'm going to go inside and check the temperature at the supply and the thermostat. Every day I'm bubbling, bubbling. Okay, 71 degrees. We're just going to check temperature. Yeah, it was 68 when I got here. It's maintaining, but it was probably just running on emergency. And now we're playing with refrigerant. Okay, 110. Bring this down to 68. We're gonna put it on following schedule. Guys, so like I said, that was an install from another company in June of 22, he said. So last year, this last summer. But I guess something happened where they had a falling out. He doesn't use them anymore. So we got them going for tonight. There was nothing I can do as far as a proper leak search in the nighttime, in case anyone wants to make a comment that, you know, I shouldn't charge and go. Sometimes you just have to. It's winter. But anyway, all my viewers are pretty much awesome anyway. They don't really say stuff like that. I'm just putting it out there. I hate just charging and going like that. I really do. But again, the guy's got 2 little kids. And it just is what it is. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It was a long day, 7:19. But long day. 7 to 7 I worked today. Now I still got to drive home like a half hour. But now I'm just rambling. So anyway, have a good night. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care, guys.